What's up, you guys? Welcome back. Today I'm super excited because we have our February Boxycharm unboxing. January is officially over. Am I the only one that felt like January was like a whole year? It was cold, it was snowy. January honestly is my least favorite month. The holidays are over, but it's still cold and it still gets dark at like 4 o'clock at night. But we're transitioning out of the winter. I mean, February is like still winter, but I feel like February is like the last winter month, and then March, we're like heading into spring. We're smooth sailing to summer, which is my personal happy time. I like the warm weather. But anyways, I'm excited for January to be over, and I'm even more excited to do our Boxycharm unboxing for February. We have the regular monthly box and we have the premium box this month. So if you guys are new to Boxycharm or my Boxycharm videos, it's a monthly subscription service. The regular classic Boxycharm box is $25 per month. You're guaranteed 5 full-size beauty products of at least $125 value, again for only $25 per month. So that's the classic Boxycharm box. But they recently introduced premium boxes, which is $35 per month. You're guaranteed at least $175 worth of products and 6 to 7 full-size beauty products. So we are going to unbox both of them today. I will have a link for you guys to sign up to Boxycharm in my description box. As always, if you are interested, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and click the little bell right next to the subscribe button to be notified of all my future uploads. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. All right, so we are going to start with the classic box first. So I'm gonna go ahead and open her up. I have not even seen any spoilers or anything this month. I was away last week and I was spending time just basically off of social media, so I didn't really see any spoilers. So I don't know what's about to be in here. Ooh, but I see right here, right on top, there's a little promo thing for a Boxy pop-up, which is actually really cool. You can basically get deals on products if you're a Boxycharm member at up to 80% off. So Boxy pop-up is gonna be starting on Tuesday, February 11th. Looks like we have Luxy, Benefit, Glam Glow, like a bunch of stuff. So that's really, really exciting. And then, ooh, inside the box, yay! Okay, so this big thing that I see right here, I am so excited about. These are the Evio Skin Refreshing Cleansing Hemp Wipes. I go through makeup wipes literally like water. Like, I go through makeup wipes faster than I think I go through napkins, like in my house. Like, I use these bad boys and I use a lot of them, so I'm very excited about this. This is pretty cool. Oh, and it says they are biodegradable and they can even remove waterproof makeup, which is pretty cool. So the MSRP on these guys are $10. I feel like the average person might not get as excited as me over makeup wipes, but like, you need them, you know? Okay, up next, I see Kate Somerville, which is a really bougie skincare brand, and this is her Biomimicking Peptides Smooth and Firm Serum. So it's like a concentrate, and it's basically her signature blend of peptides. So let's see what the pamphlet says about this. So it says it transforms dull, sagging skin into visibly firmer, smoother, and refreshed looking skin. After just 1 week, 97% of women reported their skin appeared visibly tighter. Oh my God. And the MSRP is $98. I knew Kate Somerville was like bougie. I have tried some of her skincare products in the past and actually really enjoyed them. So I'm really excited about this. I've talked about it in a couple of my other videos, but I really feel like 2020 is the year of like skincare, taking care of your skin, glowing skin. Like, there's gonna be such an emphasis on skin this year. And so I have been trying to do the absolute most. I've been trying so much new skincare, so my skin is kind of freaking out right now because of it. But I am excited to try this out. Honestly, you could have the best makeup in the world, but like, your skin underneath plays a huge role in how your makeup is actually gonna look. So I really have been vowing to take the best care of my skin possible in 2020, so I'm excited about that. And I'm turning 27 this year. I'm like, a girl needs her skincare. Okay, up next, I see something from Ciate, London. So this is their coconut setting powder, Everyday Vacay. Ooh, so it says in the back that you can use this to bake and set. So let's open it up. Super cute packaging. Looks like it's like a lot of product. Let's see if it smells like coconut. Oh my God, it does. Ooh, it has like a light smell. Like, it's not like overly smelly or anything, but it has a really light coconutty smell. I love that. I love the smell of coconut. I'm gonna get a little bit on my hand. Ooh, it definitely feels finely milled, like a very like fine, loose powder, which is what I like. So I think this would be really great for setting the face, and it smells amazing. The name Everyday Vacay is like perfect because coconut always makes me think like tropical. So I like this. And the MSRP on that is $22. Next, we have a set of brushes. These are super cute. Nice bright orange moment. So these are from Alamar Cosmetics. I've actually tried a lot of their stuff in Boxycharm and really liked their products. So we have like a flat top brush, so you could use this for like foundation or really any liquid or cream product. Then we have what they call a complexion brush. It's kind of like an angled brush, so I like to use these to like sculpt out my cheeks for contour, or you can also use them for blush. And then we have the brightening brush, which is kind of like a domed shape. These are also really soft, by the way. Like, they feel really nice. But the dome brush like this, you could use it to set your under eyes or like blend out under under eye concealer, or you could also definitely use it to highlight. That's how I like to use these brushes. So you could basically use like most of these brushes to do a full face. You could use like foundation, contour, concealer, and highlight. So there's a lot of options and they feel really, really beautiful. And it does say on here they're both vegan and cruelty free, and the MSRP is $36. And then last but not least, we have First Aid Beauty. Oh my gosh, yay! I'm so excited for all this skincare. So these are the facial radiance pads. I want to say I've tried these in the past and really, really liked them. They help like exfoliate and brighten your skin, and they're like little pads. So you almost would use them, I think, in place of a toner, but it's easy because they're already soaked with products. I'll just open them up and show you. Instead of like your traditional toner where you have to like pour it out on like a cotton swab that you buy, these are basically pre-soaked already. Yes. So they just look like this. Let me grab one out. Like this right here, and then you can just run it all over your face, help with exfoliating, getting rid of that dull skin, and getting bright, clear skin. Oh, and it does say that these are alcohol free, which is great too, because I do have dry skin, so great to see that there is no alcohol in them. So I am really, really excited about these, and First Aid Beauty is a really nice brand. I've tried their products in the past and really enjoyed them. Oh, and it does say these have lactic and glycolic acids in them, which is great. So the MSRP on this is $16. All right, so I am really excited about this month's box. I really like the stuff that I got. So I'm gonna go ahead and add up the values of everything. So let's see. Again, $25 per month for the classic box. It's supposed to be $125 value. So let's see. We have a $98 for the Kate Somerville active treatment. So that's basically way over like what you're paying for the box to begin with. Then we have the brushes, which are $36 the set. The Ciate London powder at $22. The First Aid Beauty Radiance pads at $16. And the makeup removing wipes at $10 for a total value of $182. So that is more than the premium box is supposed to be worth. So I'm pretty eager to see what the heck is in the premium box if the classic box is already over the value of what the premium box is supposed to be. So premium box right here. Let's go ahead and open her up. Again, this one is supposed to be 6 to 7 full-size beauty products, $175 value at $35 per month. Ooh, okay, so I see it right on top. This is the Korres Basil Lemon Body Butter. Ooh, Korres is another like bougie brand. I'm loving all the bougie skincare brands. I'm sure there's a seal on this. So I'm just gonna pull the seal and then I'm going to put some on my hands. I like that this is a body butter, but it's in like a tube. Like so many body butters are like in the jars and you have to like dig your fingers in there. But like if you have long nails like me, that's a pain in the butt. So having it in a squeezy tube like this is amazing. So I'm just gonna put a little bit on my hand right there. Ooh, it smells really nice. I wasn't sure about basil lemon. I'm like, that's like an interesting combo, but it actually smells really beautiful. And it's light, it's not like overly scented. Ooh, and that feels nice. That feels really, really beautiful, and it's soaked into my skin like really easily. I like that. I'm about to slap that all over my body. Ooh, up next, I see the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Blush. Oh my gosh, wow. Okay, these are like really bougie and really nice. Anything Hourglass is like super fancy, I always feel like. The shade I got is Diffused Heat, so this is what the packaging looks like. Oh. That is so pretty. Oh my gosh. And we even have a mirror in here too, like high quality packaging. All right, we need to put this on. I do already have like a decent amount of blush on my cheeks. Do I really need more? No, but am I gonna put more on? Yes. Because this is too pretty not to. So I'm just gonna add this to my cheeks. Ooh, I love that little pop of pink. I used to literally never wear blush, like ever. Have you guys been around on my channel for that long where I used to just not wear blush at all? But now I do, and I like it. I probably have a little too much blush on now with the double blush, but this is so beautiful. I love like the marbledness of it because like it does have like those golds in there too, which really give you a beautiful flush on your skin. So that is really, really pretty. Totally gonna use this. And again, I really love Hourglass products, so I'm very happy to see that. You know what? I forgot to tell you guys the value on the body butter, and then I'll tell you the value on the blush. So the body butter is $32, and then the blush is $40. Yes, Hourglass is like bougie, like Sephora. Like I used to go into Sephora and like look at their stuff and be like, oh my god, I'll never afford that. But with the Boxycharm, you can get it for much cheaper. Oh my gosh. Okay, another one of my favorite brands. We have the Tarte Base Tape Hydrating Primer. Wow, I think I have gotten Tarte stuff before, but it's been a while since I got a Tarte product in my Boxycharm box, and they are one of my favorite brands. This is a great primer. I absolutely love it. I'm gonna take it out to show you guys, but since I do own it myself already, I will go ahead and give this away to one of you guys. Since it's February, comment down below what you're doing for Valentine's Day or Galentine's Day if you're hanging out with your girlfriends, or if you're just gonna stay home and watch Netflix, girl, that's fine too. I honestly probably am gonna just stay home because I'm getting my wisdom teeth taken out next week, so I don't know if I'm gonna be up to doing anything for Valentine's Day, but comment down down below how you're gonna spend your Valentine's Day and just a way for me to get in contact with you, and you will be entered to win this. I'll pick one of you guys and just send this out to you. But this is a really great primer. It really adheres the foundation to the skin and also really helps to hydrate your skin. So I love this and super excited to see it in my Boxycharm. Again, it's a brand that I do love, that I use their products all the time. So the value on this guy is $30. Up next, we have the Karity palette. I think this is, yes, 21 warm and vibrant eyeshadows. Yes, please. Oh, my hair is like eating it up now. This is the Picante palette. I'm probably like totally butchering that name, so I'm sorry. Oh, wow. Oh my God. This is so beautiful. I feel like the little picture they had on the back of the box didn't do it justice. This is stunning. And you guys know I'm a warm tone neutrals kind of girl, so this is just like my name is written all over it. We have a mix of like mattes. Ooh, very nice. They actually feel like really, really nice. And then we have some beautiful shimmers in here too, if my nails don't dig through it. But this looks really, really pretty and like right up my alley. Ooh, I love this. Super, super excited to try this out on my eyes. And the value on that is $29. And that's for 21 eyeshadows. Like, that's really good. Next, we have the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist. I love this. This is so, so good. And it smells amazing. I use this a lot of time in the morning, just like refresh my skin, or even throughout the day. You can spritz this over makeup and just like refresh the face. Oh my God, literally has the most beautiful watermelon scent, but it's not too much. It's still very light, but I love this from Glow Recipe, all their watermelon products, and honestly, like all the products from Glow Recipe are really good. I've gotten a lot of their stuff in Boxycharm, which is really cool, but the value on that is $28. I have a feeling this is gonna be a high value box. And then the last thing we have in here is this 24 karat gold foil moisturizer from the brand Fascia. I've never heard of that, but 24 karat gold seems pretty bougie to me. All right, so let's open this up and see. Wow, this is beautiful. And there are like actual literal gold flakes in there. Like the third ingredient in this moisturizer is gold, which like is crazy. I am so excited about this. Okay, I have to put at least a little bit on my hand. Like I don't want to waste it on my hand, but I'm kind of like, I need to try it right now. But obviously I have makeup on my face, so I don't want to put it over my makeup. So I just got some on my finger. It smells really, really nice actually. Very like fresh. Oh my God, do you guys see like the gold flakes? This is so cool and so bougie. I literally live. This product is gonna have to be expensive, I'm assuming, with these gold flakes in it. But it feels really, really nice. Like that just hydrated my hand so well. Both of my hands are getting so hydrated today, but it feels really, really nice. It has like a gel kind of consistency to it, which I like. So I am very excited to try this on my face. I'm about to have gold on my face, honey. So the value on that is, yeah, $100. I knew it was gonna have to be a lot because like literally it has gold in it. And what I like too is that this doesn't leave like a greasy residue or anything. Like it's very like hydrating and plumping and moisturizing, but it doesn't have that like grease that a lot of moisturizers can leave, and neither did the body butter, honestly. Like it's like completely smooth, so I do really, really like that. Okay, so that is everything in the premium box. Let's go ahead and add up the value on that. Okay, so we have the Karity palette for $29, the Glow Recipe spray for $28, the Hourglass blush at $40, the gold moisturizer at $100, the Tarte primer at $30, and then the body butter at $32 for a total value of $259. Oh my gosh. That is a high value box. Like I said, all you're guaranteed is $175, but honestly, I feel like every single month it's been significantly over the $175, and same thing with the base box. Like you're guaranteed $125, but the values are always significantly over, which is pretty cool, especially based on the fact that like the regular box is only $25 per month and the premium box is only $35 per month. So that's pretty good. All right, you guys, so those are both Boxycharm boxes for the month of February. Definitely let me know down below what you guys got in your box, if you've received it, and also be sure to enter the giveaway again for the Tarte primer. Just let me know what you're doing for Valentine's Day. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye.